Hey, what is up guys? It's winter already and I'm ready to test the 4-wheel drive of my 15-year-old auction car. But I live in Canada and winters are not something to brag about here, eh? In today's episode, I'm gonna show you 3 ways you can jumpstart your car if your battery is drained. The first method is to check if the battery terminals are connected properly. Sometimes, due to weak connections, corrosion, or vibrations in the car, the terminals might come loose. So the easiest solution would be to ensure stable connections. If your terminals are free to turn, then you need to tighten them. The second method is to jumpstart your car using another car. This method is very well known, but there's always a slight grounding debate. Here, I'm gonna connect the red positive side of the jumper cable to the plus sign of the dead battery, and the other end of the red cable to the positive side of the live battery. Now connect the black cable to the negative terminal on the car with the good battery. Here's the question: should I ground the other end of the black cable to the negative terminal of the dead battery, or should I clamp it to a piece of unpainted metal on my car? The answer is you can actually do both, but grounding it to a bare metal surface of your car is the safest option according to experts. Wait for a couple of seconds and try the ignition. The third method is to use a battery booster. Today, I'm gonna use an Oxiro jumper cable, which is the world's most compact palm-sized battery pack. Oxiro sent me their patented technology jump starter that has strong magnets, hooks, and LED lights to work on your car or go for camping. This pocket jump starter comes with jumper cables that I can use to jump my dead battery. The only thing I have to do is connect the positive with the positive and the negative with the negative, as instructed by Oxiro. And now I'm able to jumpstart my car. This is a very good thing to have in your glove box. Alright, so these were the 3 ways you can jumpstart your car anytime, anywhere. So if you've learned something new, hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you on the next one.